These Nutty Banana Oatmeal Muffins are a delightful way to start your day. Packed with wholesome oats and ripe bananas, they provide a satisfying texture and natural sweetness. If you're looking for a quick breakfast or a snack on the go, these muffins might just become your new favorite. These muffins are not only easy to make but also customizable based on what you have on hand. Throw in some nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruit for an extra treat. With a hint of cinnamon and a hint of nutty flavor, these muffins strike the perfect balance between healthy and indulgent. They're great for meal prep, so you can have a nutritious breakfast ready for the week. Nutty Banana Oatmeal Muffins are not only delicious but also bring a sense of comfort to your breakfast routine. As you prepare these muffins, the delightful aroma of ripe bananas and oats fills the kitchen, making it hard to resist. Incorporating rolled oats not only enhances the texture but also adds fiber, making these muffins a filling option. The choice of nuts brings in a delightful crunch, elevating each bite with nutty flavors. You can even experiment with mix-ins like chocolate chips or dried fruit to personalize your muffins. The joy of baking, from preheating the oven to combining wet and dry ingredients, each step is a chance to engage with your culinary skills. The moment you slide the muffin tin into the oven, the anticipation builds, and soon, the muffins begin to rise and take on a lovely golden hue. Customizing your muffins. One of the appealing aspects of these muffins is their versatility. You can easily tailor the recipe based on personal preferences or dietary restrictions. For a heartier version, consider adding shredded coconut or swapping out honey for maple syrup. The muffins can be made dairy-free by using non-dairy milk alternatives, making them accessible to everyone. These muffins are not just for breakfast, they can fit any occasion. Pack them for a midday snack or serve them at gatherings. Their inviting appearance and comforting flavors will appeal to both kids and adults alike. Once baked, allow the muffins to cool before storing them. They can be kept in an airtight container at room temperature for a few days or frozen for longer storage. When ready to enjoy, simply warm them up slightly for a fresh out-of-the-oven experience. Pairing these muffins with a steaming cup of coffee or tea enhances the overall experience, making for a cozy moment any time of the day. These oatmeal muffins are moist and hearty, featuring a delightful combination of oats, ripe bananas, and a touch of honey for sweetness. They are perfect for breakfast or as a midday snack, and the taste is wonderfully comforting with a hint of nuttiness. 1. 2 ripe bananas, mashed. 2. 1 cup rolled oats. 3. 1 cup milk, or dairy-free alternative. 4. 1/2 cup honey or maple syrup. 5. 1/4 cup vegetable oil or melted coconut oil. 6. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 7. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 8. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 9. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 10. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 11. 1/2 cup chopped nuts, walnuts or pecans optional. 12. 1/2 cup chocolate chips or dried fruit, optional, instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it lightly. 2. Mix wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the mashed bananas, milk, honey, or maple syrup, oil, and vanilla extract. 2. Stir until well mixed. 3. Combine dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix together the rolled oats, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. 4. Combine mixtures. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. 4. If desired, fold in the nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruit. 5. Fill muffin tin. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full. 6. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 18-20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool and serve. Allow the muffins to cool in the pan for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. 7. Enjoy warm or at room temperature. 1. Prep time, 10 minutes. 2. Cook time, 20 minutes. 1. Servings, 12 muffins. Calories, 150 kcal.